Okay, gotta get the rest of that fuel in the tank. The pickup tube came apart on that hand pump, so I'm gonna have to figure out something else. Maybe I'll just use that hose as a siphon and put all the rest of the fuel in that tank. But drive line is in. Okay, and yeah, don't mind that. That's just mocked up right now. But I got my other carry bearing bracket put in, so the drive line's hung up. Not hung up, but mounted in. There we go, carrier bearing. So, do a little bit of cleanup. Get that fuel put in that tank. And take it for a quick little spin outside the shop, hopefully. Everything's out of the way, kind of buttoned up, and let's see if she'll drive. One way to find out. All right, let's see. Oh, she's moving. All right, just gotta get it out of here. Kind of a big moment. I mean, I tore this truck all the way apart on the back half, and I got brakes, I got air suspension, and my drive lines and rear ends are working. Holy crap. Let's see out of that. Look at that spot mirror so far jacked. I can't see anything out of there. I don't have the gasket between the cab and the sleeper, so when I pull out of the shop, it lights up in here. Really tight for that Dodge, just because my mirrors are all out of whack, I can't see it. She's outside, and guess what? She drove herself outside. I got no idea how excited I am about this. I just backed it out of the shop on its own. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. That's why I can't see anything. There it is. It's outside. Yeah. Air suspension's aired up. Driveline backed it out. Alright, I got lots to go. But today was a big milestone. Did some laps around the yard and the shop here. Suspension, brakes, rear ends, drive lines, all that works. So back here, just tighten up a few things. Go pick up my fifth wheel, mount it on there. So back end, it's just about all buttoned up. And we'll start moving on to the rest of the truck. Test drive today. Check. Everything seems to work good. Rear suspension and all. So we can check that off the list. I got a fifth wheel picked out. I gotta pick that up. We'll bolt that on, and the back half of the truck will be just about done. And moving on to cab electrical and doing something with the interior on this truck. So stay tuned.